All right, the ups and downs of spring in Flagstaff today, 67 degrees, and just a couple days ago, it was snowing in Flagstaff. How about that weekend snowstorm that added up to over 5 inches of snow? It really didn't seem like it. Doesn't stick around long. It was a record Saturday, May the 9th, 4.3 inches of snow, most we've ever had on May 9th since record keeping began back to 1898. Brings our season snow total up to 62.6 inches, still well below the 101-inch average for a season of snow. So it was definitely a way below average snow season, although it's been pretty good with moisture this weekend, bringing more moisture. It's been about almost 3/4 of an inch since we last talked a week ago in the bucket. So since January 1, we're a couple inches above average, 9.84, 67 today, our high temperature, and that is a couple degree, or just a degree above the 66-degree average for this time of year. All right, so everybody right around average for this time of year. Sedona 79 today, Payson 75. It was 80 in Winslow, 70 at the south rim of the canyon. A little bit breezy today, and it's going to become more windy tomorrow, and kind of a breezy to windy week ahead with another spring storm system on the way. The spring storm track just doesn't want to let up, and as we were talking earlier, driest time of year right now, all the moisture we can get just keeps pushing that fire season back just a little bit so we can take it. All right, so here's this area of low pressure moving into the Pacific Northwest. Here we are in Arizona, well out ahead of it. This area of low pressure kind of scoots in a little bit into the Great Basin tomorrow. I think we increase the wind, see wind gusts to around 40 tomorrow. High temperatures similar today. Maybe we nudge them down a degree or two. Wednesday, we're kind of between storms. There's another one way up in the Gulf of Alaska that we'll start talking about as we make our way through the week. That's going to move in late Thursday. Thursday, expect a windy day, and then we're back to some rain Friday, maybe snow Friday night in Flagstaff, just a little bit. And then a cool, showery Saturday is the way the forecast looks. Okay, right now, mostly sunny skies, 63 degrees, breezy, winds out of southwest at 16. We'll continue with the breezy night overnight tonight and go with 34 degrees. Of course, we're still hitting some freezing numbers, obviously, in Flagstaff. Temperatures have been dropping down into the 20s the last several nights. I think because of the breeze tonight that we're in the mid-30s for an early morning low. And yeah, some of the vegetables that I planted last week, not too happy about some of these cold overnight temperatures. Okay, 65 degrees tomorrow, warm, or we'll call it a very mild, seasonably warm day and a windy afternoon. As we talked about, sunrise is at 5:25 state number, 79 once again in Sedona. Prescott 75. Not quite as windy down at lower elevation. We're mainly windy from Flagstaff up into northeastern Arizona tomorrow. Tuba City 75, Winslow 80. Look at the extended forecast. Think Wednesday was just still a very mild day. Windy on Thursday, very windy, and the storm system moves in, really cools things down for another kind of spring storm system here for us. And down in Sedona, temperatures in the upper 70s next couple days, and the storm system will cool things down into the 60s with a little bit of more rain on the way.